Connect wallet to DeFi Bank. Let's create a username for interacting with our account on DeFi Bank. Your username is also mapped onto the wallet address. Transaction successfully recorded on Hedera blockchain. QR codes that you can scan and send payment to. Dashboard, where you have access to all the features. Transfer. Let's create a transfer using a username. Sending some HBAR. Confirm transaction. Transaction is successful on a blockchain. You can see it on hash scan. Let's create a savings pot where you can create different savings pot for different functions. Here we are saving for a tour. Transaction confirmed successfully on hash scan. Now let's make a deposit to one of the savings pots we have created. Confirm transaction. Successful on a hash scan. Escrow, where we create security for two parties transacting but don't trust each other. Let's create one for DApp development. The escrow can be claimed upon a maturity date. It can also be refunded in case the seller has not delivered. In other words, both parties, the buyer and the seller of the service, are protected. And we earn a fee on each of the transactions processed in the escrow. Confirm transaction. Successful on hash scan. Stablecoins. DeFi Bank enables users to create stablecoins paged to African currencies. For example, this is a Nigerian naira. These are backed by USSD Corato. You can mint stablecoins and burn them. Successful on hash scan. Loans. You can deposit HBAR and USSD to earn interest. You can also borrow against your USSD or HBAR. Transaction confirmed and successful on hash scan. Exchange. Here you can read all about the protocol, where we use spherical math and mechanics geometry. Let's try to exchange from USSD to transaction confirmed. Let's swap now after the approval. Liquidity, where you can add liquidity and remove liquidity. Analytics, that shows you what's happening and exchange. History, where you track all transactions according to their categories, such as transfers, group payments, savings, ports, and so on. We also included a faucet where you can claim all your test tokens in one go. Then you can interact with DeFi Bank. Claim successful.